Hello, and welcome to the first of the functionality tutorials for PeatDataHub. We will begin with Peatland Sites, where you can view a site's ID, its identifier, which is its unique short form identifier for the site, name, its long form name, its country, and the continent. The identifiers can be used to sort the results in ascending order by clicking once, and descending order by clicking twice. The Peatland Sites can be viewed by selecting the magnifying glass icon on the right hand side. This will take you to all the information that's been uploaded for the site. In order to upload a Peatland site ourselves, we'll go back to this screen and select the Add Peatland Site button in the top right, which will allow you to input information regarding your site and its metadata. The fields with an asterisk are the only fields that are required, so I'll be inputting those for the tutorial. First, we can choose the additional information, such as the identifier, test, and site's name, test site, the country, United Kingdom, and here you can input the location data. If latitude and longitude is uncertain, for example, if you use grid reference for your site's geolocation, please use this target icon, which will take you to gridreferencefinder.com, where you can convert into lat long from any information that you have available. If you use degrees, minutes, seconds, an external website is also available. Put the lat and long in here. Now we can select the max elevation in meters above sea level, the mean annual precipitation in millimeters, and the mean annual temperature in degrees centigrade. We can select the peatland type, which is another required field from a list here, like raised bog. The trophic status from another list, minerotrophic or ombrotrophic. The dominant condition type is also required. Size of peatland in kilometers squared, the max peat depth in meters, the mean peat depth in meters, and the substrate material, which refers to the underlying geology. Now we can select vegetation type if we know it, which gives us multiple options, and you can select multiple. So on. And the same is true for land use type. We encourage you to input as much site contact / authorship information as you are comfortable with in order for ownership of the data to be traced back to you. Note that even without this, the application admins will see the account that uploaded the data, so there is an acknowledgement of ownership there. Please refer to our data sharing tab on the site for more information about this. You can then navigate back up to the top and select Save, and your site will be inputted into the database. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we hope to see your site on PeatDataHub.com.